Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of the American people and the American Embassy in Pakistan, I send my best wishes to the people of Pakistan as you celebrate Pakistan's 70th Independence Day. For 70 years, America and Pakistan have built a relationship based on advancing our mutual interests: democracy, peace and security, and economic development for Pakistan and the region. America and Pakistan have shared interests that have shaped an enduring relationship over 7 decades. In an August 14, 1947 message to Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, American President Harry Truman congratulated Pakistan on its emergence among the family of nations. He pledged firm friendship and goodwill and said the American people anticipate a long history of close and cordial relations with your country. We rejoice with you in the prospect for rapid progress toward the advancement of the welfare of the people of Pakistan. As we celebrate this 70th anniversary, please know that America is as committed to Pakistan's success as it was when Pakistan was born. Khuda Hafiz.
कैसी समी आवासमा इनके सिवा जाना कहाँ बढ़ती रहे रोशनी चलता रहे ये कारवां दिल दिल पाकिस्तान जा जा पाकिस्तान दिल दिल Pakistan, ja ja, Pakistan, dil. Dil, Pakistan, ja ja. Pakistan, dil, dil, Pakistan, ja, ja, Pakistan, dil, dil, Pakistan, ja, ja.
पाकिस्तान की 70वीं सालगिरह मुबारक।
यौम आज़ादी मुबारक।
हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर पाकिस्तान।
जीवे जीवे पाकिस्तान।
आज़ादी के 70 साल मुबारक।
अमेरिका पाकिस्तान दोस्ती जिंदाबाद।
यौम आज़ादी मुबारक।
अमेरिका पाकिस्तान दोस्ती जिंदाबाद।